Hi all. Today, the True Marketing channel is here again to talk about software that assists with YouTube's format, helping us boost our views, likes and comments, as well as likes and comments during live streaming films. We will use a software tool here. Initially, to use the feature, we navigate to the shedding section. Next, go to Shedding Livestream. Here, we will input the live stream film using the link from our current broadcast. Then everyone can configure this. I have preset it to like and subscribe to the live streaming channel. Additionally, I can set the viewing duration for that live stream. Here I am setting it for around 2 to 5 minutes. For comments, you can type them here. I have prepared some comments in advance if you click on this section. When done, please check it out. Now I will choose my YouTube accounts. Here, I will pick the YouTube accounts associated with my email. Then I will start it, and you all can watch. Once I hit start, these accounts will activate, and to guarantee they function from unique IP addresses, I will utilize this proxy setup. Each proxy represents a unique IP address, ensuring that each account operates from a different IP to avoid redundancy. By operating this way, it will be safer and of higher quality compared to my YouTube accounts. I will access my YouTube accounts through my email. Yes, it will log me in. I just log in once. These accounts will go to my live stream feed automatically. I'm watching a music live stream. They're live now. I permit the configuration to launch 13 accounts all at once. These accounts will all open at the same time continuously to see the stream. Once it watches the live stream feed, these accounts will enter the live state. People see it's live. There are many people who are live here, and they start commenting. It will comment below. It will turn off after commenting.